Let's find out what a DNS is.
Now we're going to be talking about DNS servers or domain name servers. Domain name servers. So the domain name servers are in control of all the websites that we normally visit, because we can't keep remembering the IP addresses every single time. Because, for example, let's take our favorite website. Let's take HTTP website name webname.com. So I think this will be much easier to remember than actually remembering 198.162.192.78. Yeah, this would be much easier to remember than this. How many websites can we remember like that? We can't. So what they did is they came up with domain name servers, which are used in the form of a table. So what this is it's a huge server which maintains on the local internet. It has the name of the primary domain. It has the extension. It can be .com, .us, .in. It can be .net, .org, or let's see, what else do we have? Now you're currently experiencing new stuff like XYZ, .business, etc. with the IP6, IPv6 introduction, but with the IP4, it only had a few. These are known as top-level domains. Top-level domains are the primary names which came with the IP4 initialization. Now with IP6, we have a lot of stuff. We have infinite possibilities. They can be like .business, .company, .design, .fashion, etc. So infinite possibilities always. So anyway, now with the name, but remember, these top-level domains are most popular and the most costly, and they're almost filled out. So in the name, if we have something called realad.com, so what happens is, in the IP address, it can be something like this number right over here. So when we type realad.com, the domain name server goes and looks up in the table and passes this IP address and sends it to the host. And then it opens and surveys and uses the HTTP request, the hypertext transfer protocol, to transfer the data which are actually located in the server and display the website to us. But let's look at the hierarchy for this. So normally when we register for any company or any server, it has the company name, and then this is normally followed by a .com. It has the network, then it has below that the DNS. We can have other company or sub companies. This is normally given by FTP client and a mail client, and perhaps a server. We can have subdomains. Normally you see companies which have like google.blog, or you can say google.careers.com, google.blog.com. So these are subdomains. The blog and career are subdomains. That's an example for that, at least. So these two have a mailing address and a server. So you can see how the hierarchy is actually built up on that. But anything, by the way, that is all you need to know actually about DNSs. They're just lookup tables, and they provide us the lookup and the function to actually go and fetch these data without the needing of using IP addresses every single time. So whenever you hear DNS, you can actually think about this equation right over here, which we discussed. So anyway, now most of the mailing clients are represented by mail.companyname web server .companyname.com. So if that was for Relad, it would be mail.one. would be relad.com, for example. That was just an example. So you can see there are many formulated in this type of approach. So that was it. That's it for DNS, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Welcome back, guys. So in this video, I just want to give you a quick introduction.
Hey guys, I hope you learned something out of this video. If you like the videos and if you want to watch more, want to learn about a specific topic, leave it in the comments below. If not, just give it a likes up and subscribe.